here. Benefits and what of how it should go. Okay, what will benefit in that versus that for the most part, other than I'm gonna have stuff welded on here to hang my chains on. And then we can move that out like that, but it really doesn't benefit this any. Any at all. Yep, we'll worry about that later. Get this stuff welded up and see what it looks like. GoPro, stop recording. Okay. So just to confirm it, that is a 45-degree angle. So that's what we're going to do there. So what we want to do now is we go angle, punch in 45, and our distance. We got to know our distance. And our distance is going to be from there to there, and a little bit more. There, right there's 3.6110. There it is. So now we keep that same deal. And it would help if I drew a line from there to there. But, I mean, there's so many different ways to do it. I mean, 2.4130. You could do it that way. I mean, or you can just keep the distance. But I mean, that looks pretty good. I mean, or as long as our distance between here and there at that given angle is what we got. So now we got that part done. Now we want to go from there to there, which is 9 3/8. 9 3/8. So point. Get off of that, go X, 9.3750. Is that right? Did I get my decimal point right on that? I think I did. Where are you? Right there. Yep, I did it. Okay, good. So now, was that to the outside or the inside? I think I did it to the outside on that lower one. Yeah, I did. Okay, so that's to the outside. So that's to that corner right there. So now I got that corner marked. That's all I need. So from that point forward, I can go from there up 4 inches. So I can get rid of that. I can go 4.0470 up. Now we can get some line in here so you can start seeing the part form. Okay, now we want to come over this number. That's why you write that down, because now we want to come over that. So we want to go negative 1.6375. Now it's going to bring us over that number, which is good. Now we want to come down to that corner, which is going to be negative 2.4915 down. Now we can put our lines in here. There is our part. Now we need to be thinking about, when we do it in the compartment, we could do rolled edges here or anywhere we want to do it, but I'm not thinking I want to, because there's going to be gussets getting welded in here, and our part's going to be coming off of right in here. So I mean, technically I could go look on there. Technically I could leave all of this on my plate without even cutting that out, which would give me material to bring the gusset out and basically set the table or the shelf right on top of there. Now we could do the holes, but the holes are going to be kind of off. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this out, and I'm just going to punch these holes in where they need to go with the iron worker. And that way I can pick my size, and I'll have a cleaner hole. So basically what we're going to do is cut this out from this point forward. Now we could go in here, point, arc. We could put a 0.25 1/4 inch radius right there. Control Z. Nobody ever told me that. If you do a move and you want to go back and you push Control Z, it will take the last thing you did and take it away. It saves you so much time on this. Now see how my part now is rounded there, and I don't want to round it right there because of the fact I want to round it right here. I can round it there. I think it might give me a little cleaner look if I round it there. May as well round it there too. May as well round it everywhere now. I do that, I get started on it, and that just looks so much better. Now we can go display. 3D shaded. Okay. There, we gotta go part, material. I'm just gonna say 14, define all. Now we can go, there's our part. I'm gonna burn it out. You guys don't need to watch that, and we'll get back to you. eventually. Remember how that goes. All right. That's the problem. Is, you want to go that way with it, or that way? Go that way, but we'll see the bolt. Just like that. I gotta get some clamps, guys. A little well right in there. GoPro, stop recording.